Ready to go? Ready to go? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, another day, another problem. So the main problem today is my WRX has a carven exhaust, which is awesome. But the only problem is, let me see if I could put you guys under the car for a second here. You'll see there that the mid pipe is actually pretty much almost touching the floor, but when I drive, it kind of bounces up and down. And the problem is that when when I go over speed bumps, or even when I'm regularly driving, it will actually hit and there'll be a really loud noise in the car. So what I'm going to do about that is I'm going to have my buddy Cody Orton, he does a lot of fabrication down here in South Florida. I'm going to have him come over. I'm going to see if we could either fix the pipe, make a new one, or possibly either put a bracket or something there to hold it so that the pipe is level with the car. This did actually happen to another pipe, another flex pipe. So if you'll see here, I kind of chewed that one to shreds. So this is what the mid pipe looks like. And it doesn't look too good. So hopefully we'll be able to fix that and get on our way. So I'm gonna see if actually you guys can hear it. I'm gonna drive down the street a little bit. I'm gonna make sure that there's no air conditioning on. I'll put the windows down a little bit. And I'm gonna see if you guys can actually hear the noises that I'm hearing. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna go out on the main road. Hopefully you guys can hear what I hear. Hopefully it's not muffled or the car is too loud to hear the actual pipe, but let's see if you guys can actually hear the problem. So I'm actually not sure if you guys can hear that, but it's banging and scraping and scratching, and it's all the wrong noises you do not want to hear. So hopefully we can go ahead and fix that today. Stay tuned. All right, so we got the car lifted up in the air, and Cody is halfway under the car, but what's going on, Cody?
Hey.
So this pipe is bowing down from the rest of the car. So that's what's scraping when I drive. So what do you think we could do to fix that?
Well, seeing as how we already have a flex pipe up here, we could probably delete this flex pipe, and in putting the pipe straight, I'll end up with something like that.
All right, and that won't touch like the drive shaft or anything like that?
Nope. No, it looks like we got good clearance.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
All right, so I just dropped off the mid pipe with Cody. He's just gonna make a straight pipe without the flex. This way it'll sit up higher, and he should be back within a day. All right, so Cody finally got back with the finished product. Cody, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. So basically, what we have here is the old disgusting pipe, if it'll focus, and the new one. So basically, there's the huge difference of the flex pipe, which is not gonna sit as far down. So this is gonna sit actually further up into the car, so it won't have that rubbing issue, right?
Right.
So tell me like exactly what you did.
Well, the biggest issue with the flex pipe is that it bows like that, as you can see. So I decided to follow this straight line with a new pipe, and that's going to hold everything up and keep it from bowing and dropping down.
Awesome. And well, I'm going to give him a pop tag right here, and that'll go to his Instagram. Definitely hit him up if you're in South Florida if you need any welding needs, but let's go ahead and get this thing on. So that was pretty tough. For example, this pipe was only on for not even a week. So that gives you an idea of how low it was hanging and kind of an idea of what should not be happening. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the mid pipe, and hopefully everything will be back in check.
One hour later.
So as you saw, we just went ahead and installed the new mid pipe, and you'll see that it actually buys us a ton of room all around, which is exactly what I needed. And I will not be rubbing the floor anymore to create a disaster like this. All right, guys, so that's actually gonna cut it for me today. I am so thankful for Cody to help me make that exhaust pipe, the mid pipe, and it's looking so much better because now I actually have room. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Peace.